Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. Today I will guide you through how to reset the root password in RHEL7, RHEL8 and RHEL9. This process is very useful when you lost the root password and need to regain administrative access. Let's get started. Now, username root, password 123 123 123 123. Okay, forget your root password. Now, close your system. Config. Input your DVD or ISO file. Sure. Okay. Sure. Okay, open your system. Okay. Your RHEL version is RHEL7 or RHEL8. On the boot menu, highlight the default boot option, then pass it to edit the boot parameters. Okay. If your version is RHEL9, select the rescued model option. This. Okay. Pass E. Okay. Locate the line beginning the SELinux, this Linux over kernel, and passes and tap the rd.break. Okay. Press Control and X to boot when modify parameters. Step 2. Mount the system with the white permissions. Now, type command mount -O remount rw /sysroot / now check my command mount grep sysroot. Now confirm is R and W. Okay. Step 3. Change root and reset the root password. Command is type command hroot change root / system root. Okay. Password. Okay. New password 123 123 enter 123 123 enter. Okay. Step 4. Relabel SELinux content. Type command touch / auto relabel touch / auto relabel. Okay. Double excite. Okay. Change the root password is finished. Now, don't forget, if your RHEL7 or RHEL9 versions on the boot menu highlights the default boot option, then passes E to edit the boot parameters. But if your version is RHEL8 on the boot menu, highlight the rescued model option, then passes E to edit the boot parameters. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, reboot is finished. Okay. Username root password 123 123 enter. Yes, it's successful. Okay, great job. You have just learned how to reset the root password on the RHEL7, RHEL8, and RHEL9. We covered how to edit the boot parameters, remount the system, change root into sysroot, change the root password, and final relabel SELinux before rebooting. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time. Bye.